girl Beaky and they're again with another recipe. Yeah, so today we're gonna make steak and mashed potato. Yeah. Mashed potato steak. Yeah. So let's get into it. So right now the steaks are defrosting, so we're gonna wait a while. So in the meantime, we're gonna make our mashed potatoes. I'm gonna use 2 potatoes, but cause I don't have 2 potatoes left, honestly. I don't have enough potatoes left, and that's sad. But hopefully it's enough. I'm gonna do the same potato. That's my potatoes. Now I'm gonna pour the meat. Yeah. Okay, now I have my pot to make the potatoes. So we're gonna cut the potatoes into small little cubes, and then we're gonna boil them.
Now they wanna listen to us, draw the city. Freaking you. Is there a freaking you? Come and talk to me. Rush, baby, just like Kamora Lee. So pretty, girl, you belong in a gallery. What's your fantasy? Say something you ain't never did. Like fucking suck a real nigga. I'm thinking about wrist like I'm a fish. Diamonds on my chest like a bishop. And these lines right here ain't no
Well, first we're gonna wash the potatoes.
These lines right here won't really make you fuck this. lines really gonna make you numb like Chuck. This time it's your time. I need to know it's your time. If not, I know there's more.
Okay, I'm done washing the potatoes. And I've already added the water, so I'm gonna add it to the stove. Yeah, and then also always season your potatoes. Not actually season fully, just add salt. Just add salt to your potatoes while it's cooking. So let's
Because of the room full of beautiful women, but I'm on one. Room full of women and they notice me. Now all they wanna listen to is Odyssey. Freaking you, freaking you. Is there a freak in you? Come and talk to me. I don't like the shy game. I don't like no mind game. Cause by the time you make your mind up, it's a tick times up. Hey, you gon' have to climb it if you want. Burning rubbers, running through these rubbers, it's exhausting. Drop hot, baby girl, it's CrossFit. I'm on grab it by the hips. Hey, this my wrist like on my t-shirt.
And then I'm also gonna make rice.
And these lines right here ain't no key.
Gonna make
These lines
rice.
right here won't really
Wanna
make
make
you
rice.
fuck. These lines really gonna make you numb like Chuck. This time it's your time. I need to know it's your time. Cause if not, I know there's
So now
more.
we're gonna season the meat. So the spices are all in here. But like, let me just stir it up.
Ain't no peer pressure. Cause it's what you wanna do.
So that like everything blends.
What kind of mood you in? You know what I wanna do. You see what I see. You know. There's a room full of beautiful women, but I'm on one. Room full of women and they notice me. Now all they wanna listen to is Odyssey. Freaking you, freaking you. Is there a freak in you? Magic City bump, but my crib is nicer. Can't wipe it out, your night depend on and wipe it like an ass. I see your old niggas looking like some old niggas. I'm in the Sachi mansion with some Gucci gold slippers. I got my gold on my ears and she a gold digger. That spandex might chip on my antics, might take off the bandage. Might fall like a service. Prayers out to magic.
Then it's time. Meat and chops. Thyme. Obviously salt, and also used mixed herb. So that's all. That's all the seasonings I used. Normally I always add garlic powder in my anything, whatever meat I'm cooking, I always add garlic, but because I don't have garlic, so yeah. So now we're gonna season our meat. So this is oil in here. It's oil. Okay, I can't tell it because it's gonna pour, it's gonna like spill and everything. So I'm gonna just season it. So when you season meat, always layer it with oil so that the meat sticks so the seasonings stay on the
Come and talk to me.
Okay, I'm gonna season the
Rush, baby, just like Kamora Lee.
just
So pretty, girl, you belong in
seasoning
the
the sticks
What's your
and my mashed
fantasy?
potato.
Say something you ain't never
Potatoes I've got, so now I'm
I
gonna
fucking suck
mash
a
them
real
out and
I'm
make it
just like
into.
I'm a t-shirt.
Then now I'm gonna let my
And these lines right here ain't no
meat cook right now. So
These lines
yeah.
right here gon' really
So
make you
now
fuck.
I'm gonna make my
I really gonna make you
I'm
numb like
gonna wash
Chinese
the
time.
rice
It's your
and
time.
get
I
again.
need to know it's your time. Cause if
So
not, I
now
know
we're
there's
gonna mash the
more.
potatoes and stuff.
There's always more. that's for sure. There's always more, that's for sure.
So loud. So they're making rice and it's loud and the stage is mind you, I'm gonna make a medium well steak.
Come and talk to me. I don't like the shy game. I don't like no mind game. Cause by the time you make your mind up, it's a tick, time's up. Hey, you gon' have to climb it if you want it. Burning rubbers, burning through these rubbers is exhausting. Drop, hot, baby girl is crossing. I'm gon' grab your body hips. I'm thinking about rich like on my t-shirt. Diamonds on my chest like a t-shirt. And these lines right here ain't no t-shirt. These lines right here won't really make you fuck.
So when you make a pepper, you wanna mix the best mashed potato, like very delicious, very nice and creamy. You add, you add your milk. You can add in your pot. So in the same pot, you need the potatoes.
You see what I see.
Mix the mash. Add it to the pot.
Now all they wanna listen to is Odyssey. Freaking you. Back to city bump. But my crib is nice. I wipe it out, homie, a nice pen on and wipe it like an ass. I see your old niggas looking like some old niggas. I'm in this Sachi mansion with some Gucci gold slip. I'ma go to my and she a gold nigga. That's spandex, might chip on my antics, might go up the bad bitch. Might fall like a service.
Then you add milk. Make it creamy. One a creamy, delicious mash.
Now they wanna listen to it.
Then you add mozzarella cheese or any cheese you want.
Welcome to the Malawana family meeting.
Okay, that's enough cheese. And then you add nutmeg. Put a lot of milk. What's the egg? Oh, here it is. I'm so blind. Then you add salt. A little bit of salt. Yeah. Then you go mix it on the stove and you're done making a mash. Then wait for it to get.
I checked her book and she been busy for a week. She and the girls, I ain't even got creep. Do what she want, yeah. Everything she ever wanted.
Yeah. Then I'm gonna make my sauce for the steak.
That's the type of girl
Like a sauce
my
wife or the spread on.
That's the type of girl I get the chance
I'm gonna
to
spread
carry
it on
red.
the steak.
That's the type of bitch I tell her friends that you can't do it like me.
Yeah, you know,
And the bitch so pricey, yeah.
we're gonna make our sauce for the steaks. So we're gonna add salt. Salt is always the main key to anything. Even baking, always also needs salt. Why is that purple? Black pepper.
Put 100 down on a condo downtown with me.
I need to chill with the meat for nutmeg.
When we go driving that bitch, last night we was sipping Henny and now we
Tired.
hungover, but hanging here, baby.
Cayenne pepper.
I think never made more sense.
I want it to be a bit spicy, but not too spicy. Lemon roasting it. You don't want to pour too much, even though I poured a lot, but it don't matter. This thingy chopped what meat and chopped what steak. What the? Oh, I didn't open it. That's why it won't. Oh my goodness. And I hate this thing now, and I'm made. I'm gonna clean up in a few. Then you add your paprika. I think the meat is ready. It looks good. Let me just lower down the heat. Okay. Then you add mustard. You're only supposed to pour Asian mustard, but I don't have that, so I just have like regular mustard, so I'm gonna just pour.
I'm with a mouth that's taller than me. The way she looking, she been eating all week. I checked my bucket, she been busy for a week.
The
Girls, I ain't eating that creep.
soy sauce.
Do what she want, yeah. Everything she ever wanted. Give me just what I want, yeah. That's the type of girl I made my wife be. That's the type of girl I get the cherry and the cherry red leaf. That's the type of bitch I tell her friends that he can't do it like me. I'm so proud of her. She been really proud of me. And a bitch so pricey, yeah.
And then that's it. Then we just mix it.
And I put trains on it. I'm dropping some deep prayers as a bonus. I'm locking into the Shawty met a boss like me and put 100 down, on a condo down with me. Shawty is experienced, put it clear when we drunk driving that bitch. Last night we listened to Henny and now we do it.
Nigga, then it should look like this or whatever. I think how it should look. As long as you need a sauce. So I'm done making everything, so now I'm gonna plate everything.
Never make more sense than right now. Okay, it's 4 a.m. and I'm about to turn these lights down. But first I'm about to tell you
I'm gonna add some spicy mayo.
I spent meals on you, and I put the trains on you. Girl, you're my real woman. I wanna be here, ain't got nothing on. Shakira to here, ain't got nothing on. I'm dropping some deep prayers as a bonus. I'm locking you into the
Very spicy. Okay. Now unseen. Medium well. Like I said, it should be medium well. Yeah. Now let's go play BRB.